Hey guys, I was going to talk to you today a little bit about your weekly project. It's called Creating Your Alien. And if you look in the middle of this page, and all of this is found in Classroom. So if you go to Classroom, you can look, find it, and you can read it yourself. But I'm going to go through a couple of different things. So for your procedure, you're going to put your DNA sequence for the gene in the proper part of the data table. You're going to take that DNA sequence and change it into mRNA. And then mRNA, you're going to use that and use the chart that you used with the DNA worksheet to find your amino acids. Once you find your amino acids, you're going to go to the alien gene page, and it will tell you what the traits are that relate to those amino acids. And then the final thing you're going to do is you're going to turn in your data table. You're going to turn in these questions right here because this is your conclusion questions. These are your conclusion questions. And then you're going to turn in the sketch that is colored of your alien. Be sure to include the alien number on the top of your alien drawing when you post it. So your data table is also online. So this is what your data table looks like. And I have filled out some of the data table. So if you look, you're going to have a page that looks like this. Okay. You're going to get a page that has the genes on it. And the genes is going to give you the number of your alien at the top. I'm doing alien number 13. So these are my DNA strands. And so on my data table, I'm going to have to write some of these things out. So this is the spot on your data table for your number, and then you have to create a name for your alien. So you're going to put the name of the alien there. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to copy whatever is here on the first line because that's your DNA. So I copied that out. So mine was CAAGGATAT. Okay, and you should have codons. So you should have numbers of 3, multiples of 3 that are on there. You're going to take that and you're going to translate it into your mRNA. So my C goes to a G, A goes to U, A goes to U. The G goes to a C, the G goes to a C, A goes to U, T goes to an A, and A goes to U, and T goes to an A. Okay. Then this is where your chart is that from the other worksheet is going to come into play. So I have GUU, so I'm going to go G and then UU, so that's valine. And then I've got G or CCU, so C over C, then U, that's proline. And then I have AUA, so I have A over to U, and then A, so that's isoleucine. So that's what you're going to put into the next line. So you got valine, proline, isoleucine. So then you're going to take your alien trait page, just the one I have here, and you're going to look at your first box, your first letter, which was A, and this one's going to tell you whether your alien is hairless or hairy. So if you look, this is what I have. I have valine, I have proline, and I have isoleucine. So my alien is hairless. So in the trait section, I'm going to write hairless. Okay. Then you continue to do the rest of them. So you would go back to your DNA page, you would look at what B was, you would take that, write down your letters in the DNA section. That's what I've done here. And then you translate those to mRNA. So I've got that translated here. You use your amino acid box to figure out what traits you have. So I have the tryptin, valine, val. So I'm looking at my alien gene list the next. So here is what matches. And I go over and my alien is going to be fat. Okay. So you're going to continue through that, doing all of those, and then that'll give you the traits that you're going to do in order to draw your alien. And so make sure that you're drawing your alien with all the correct traits because I will be grading the data table and the questions in question 6 on the first page. So make sure that you get both of those things completed and turn them in because that will be what your grade for the week will be, is based on this worksheet and this drawing. Hope to talk to you guys soon. Remember, I have Google Meet from 10 to 11 and 2 to 3 every day, so come join me. Ask me some questions. Talk to you later. Be safe.